Hello my bakers and crafty makers. Today I am making Little Miss Naughty. I've been dying to make this cake for a while, and Evan's choice of dessert this week was blueberry cake. So I thought I'd make an actually blueberry cake, and I thought the outside should be, well, it has to be really. I don't know any other cartoon character that is purple. Do you know any cartoon character that's purple?
No clue. No. It's been that long since I read the book.
Tinky Winky! Yeah, Tinky Winky, and I don't think I have that much fun. So yeah, this is what I'm making. I hope you enjoy. Here is the video.
So you see, where it hit my heart and brought me to my knees, baby. Yeah, yeah. Rock and roll, baby, with a little country soul. She has rock and roll in her deep green eyes. She has country soul, I see her way down deep inside. Country soul on the play to see. She has the attitude of rock and roll music with a country personality. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Rock and roll, baby, with a little country soul. My hounds one day, loved as she was again. She was walking down that trail towards me with a six-string guitar in her hand. She said, hey mister, I know what you do, I know how you roll. And now you put the music on me with that little country soul. She said, rock and roll is a part of me, it'll never go away. But that little country soul, you see, where it hit my heart and brought me to my knees, baby. Yeah, yeah. Rock and roll, baby, with a little country soul. And that's all. love on you. I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, baby, that's okay. I'm gonna love you, baby. I'm gonna love you in a crazy way. Days driving, nighttime winding, roads a lonely place. Well, it's long and it's hard with a lot of superstitions until you find your space. But there are things that I wanna do, things I wanna see. When I hold you in my loving arms, baby, hope you love on me. I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, baby, that's okay. I'm gonna love you, baby. I'm gonna love you in a crazy way. My situation is aggravated, my destination still unknown. Complications and inspirations when I find you, girl. Then I found my home. I found my home, baby. Hey. Been driving down that lonesome highway, man, I've had my days. The road was long, the road was hard, people very seldom stay. I think I found where I want to be, think I found where I need to roam. Well, I just stopped short of the USA, it's just north of Buffalo. I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, baby, that's okay. I'm gonna love you, baby. I'm gonna love you in a crazy way. I'm gonna love you. Gonna love you, baby, so you'll be mine. I'm gonna love you, baby. Hope you stand the test of time. I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, baby, that's okay. I'm gonna love you, baby. I'm gonna love you in a crazy way. I'm gonna love you, baby. Love you in a crazy way. I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you in a crazy way. I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. I'm just sitting here, I'm thinking of you. Sadness and sorrow in my heart, that is all I got left of you. Been some time since you went away, and I wonder how my life would be if you were still here with me. You're working hard in life to take care of all your kids. You were taught that. You told me, son, that's the way it is in all those towns, in our lives, where we struggle hand in hand. And now I sit and wonder why I still miss you now and forever. I still miss you here today. And with all your jokes and laughter still in my heart, you're in my heart to stay. fishing at the lake, where he taught me to kiss my men, know the fish will come. That's all it takes. I remember the times out in the yard there, drinking whiskey, playing horseshoe. You told me, son, in life you gotta hold. I still miss you now and forever. I still miss you every day. Now and forever. When I look at the stars, I know, yes I know, soon I will see you again. There were times in our life when we never got along. There were days in my life when I wish I wasn't born. If I could change all that, I would have you here with me, yeah. Since you passed away, oh, but in my heart and soul, damn, it hurts like yesterday. It's been 10 years since I saw your face. Let my heart still broken, and it will be until the end of time. And I still miss you now forever. Missing you today, and we're still missing you today.
Here is the final result. I hope you've enjoyed. I've really enjoyed making this cake. I haven't painted before, so painting on a cake was actually quite a lot of fun. If you want me to make any more cakes or do any more crafting, then let me know down below. Please like, comment and subscribe, show me some love, and I'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Bye.